The first thing you're gonna notice about this beautiful South Park property is that it sits here on the canyon. The second thing I'll have to show you. Let's go take a look. The craftsmanship and the attention to detail on this property is unmatched. The owner has truly done everything to this property, from the new roof, the windows, sewer line, and plumbing, to these beautiful high-end finishes throughout. With 2,200 square feet, a rooftop deck, 2-car garage, this home has it all, and we're only 3 blocks from the best restaurants here in South Park. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to myself or somebody here on the team.